Welcome to Max online class. Exercise 1.3 first sum. Suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. Let A denote the set of students and B denote the set of sections. Define a relation from A to B as x related to y if the student x belongs to the section y. Is this a relation a function? What can you say about the inverse relation? Explain your answer. Suppose that 120 students are studying in 4 sections. So totally 4 sections are there. In 4 sections there are 120 students are studying. Set A refers to the set of students. Set A refers to the set of students. Totally 120 students are studying. Set B refers to the set of sections, 4 sections. Set B refers to the set of sections in 11th standard. A denote the set of students, B denote the set of sections. Set A denotes the set of students and set B denotes the set of sections. Here define a relation from A to B. Define a relation from A to B. Define relation from A to B. X related to Y. X related to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y. If the student belongs to the section Y. A means set of students in 11th standard. B means set of sections in 11th standard. F is defined from A to B. X is related to Y. Is the student X belongs to the section Y. This relation is a function. It's a function because every student of the set A will be mapped onto some section in B. Every student of set A will be mapped onto some section in B. Every student of set A will be mapped onto some section in B. So F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Then the inverse relation is a function or not? The inverse relation means F inverse. F inverse change A into B, B into A. Inverse relation F inverse change A into B, B into A. So F inverse is defined from B to A. The inverse relation is not a function. It is not a function because one section will have more than one student. One section will have more than one student. So inverse relation is not a function. Second sum. Write the value of f at -4, 1, -2, 7, 0. If f of x is equal to -x plus 4, if minus infinity less than x less than or equal to -3, x plus 4 if -3 less than x less than -2, x square minus x if -2 less than or equal to x less than 1, x minus x square if 1 less than or equal to x less than 7, 0 otherwise. Here the functions are defined by 5 intervals. Functions are defined by 5 intervals. We want to find the value -4, 1, -2, 7, 0. First you draw a number line. Write the numbers on the number line. Here the first interval is -infinity to -3. -infinity to -3. Its function is -x plus 4. The second interval is -3 to -2. -3 to -2. Its function is x plus 4. The third interval is -2 to 1. -2 to 1. Its function is x square minus x. And the fourth interval is 1 to 7. Its function is x minus x square and the last interval is otherwise 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Its function is 0. First we want to find minus 4, f of minus 4. F of minus 4. F of minus 4. Minus 4 is located in the first interval. Minus 4 is located in the first interval. Its function is minus x plus 4. Now substitute x is equal to minus 4 in the function. So you have plus 4 equal to plus 8. Second one, 1 is located in the fourth interval. 1 is located in the fourth interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x minus x square. Now replace x is equal to 1 in the function. So you have f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 square. 1 square means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Third one is minus 2. 1 minus 2. Minus 2 is located in the third interval, x square minus x. So f of x is equal to x square minus x. Now substitute x is equal to minus 2. Replace x is equal to minus 2. So you have minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means 4. Minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. Fourth one, 0. 0 is located in the fifth interval. 0 is located in the 7. Fourth one is 7. 7 is located in the fifth interval. 7 is located in the fifth interval. Its function is 0. So f of x is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 7. So f of 7 is equal to 0. Here we want to find f of 7. 7 is located in the fifth interval. Its function is 0. So f of x is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 7. So f of 7 is equal to 0. Fifth one is 0. F of 0. 0 is located in the third interval. 0 is located in the third interval. Its function is x square minus x. So f of x is equal to x square minus x. Substitute x is equal to 0. So you have 0 square minus 0. 0 square minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So therefore f of minus 4 is 8. F of 1 is equal to 0. F of minus 2 is equal to 6. F of 7 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 1. Third sum, write the values of f of at minus infinite minus 3, 5, 2, minus 1, 0 if f of x is equal to x square plus x minus 5 if x belongs to minus infinity, 0. Here the value lies between minus infinity to 0. Here the value lies between minus infinity to 0, between minus infinity to 0. Then f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 2 if x belongs to 3, infinity. Here the value x value lies between 3, infinity, lies between 3, infinity. Between means 4, 5, 6, etc. Then f of x is equal to x square if x belongs to 0, 2. Here the value lies between 0 and 2. Between. So the x values is 1. Here the value lies between 0 and 2. So here the value of x is 1. Only one value is there. Then f of x is equal to x square minus 3 if otherwise. We want to find the value minus 3, 5, 2, minus 1, 0. Draw a number line. Here the functions are defined by 4 intervals. Minus infinity to 2 0, it lies in the first interval, first interval. The function is defined by x square plus x minus 5. Second interval 3 comma infinity, its function is x square plus 3x minus 2. Third interval is 0 comma 2, its function is x square. Fourth interval as otherwise x square minus 3. First one, minus 3. Minus 3 is located in the first interval. Minus 3 is located in the first interval. So its function is f of x is equal to x square plus x minus 5. Substitute x is equal to minus 3. So you have minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3 whole square means 9, minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. Second one, 5. 5 is located in the second interval. 5 is located in the second interval. Its function is x square plus 3x minus 2. So f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 2. Substitute x is equal to 5. Substitute x is equal to 5 in the function. So f of 5 is equal to, in the place of x substitute 5. So 5 square plus 3 into 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 square means 25 plus 3 into 5 15. 25 plus 15 40. So 40 minus 2 38. Third sum, if x is equal to 2 is located in the fourth interval. 2 is located in the fourth interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Substitute x is equal to 2. So you have f of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 3. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Fourth one, minus 1. Minus 1 is located in the first interval. Minus 1 is located in the first interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x square plus x minus 5. X square plus x minus 5. X square plus x minus 5. Substitute x is equal to minus 1. So you have minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 whole square means plus 1, here minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So you have minus 5. Fifth one, 0. 0 is located in the fourth interval. 0 is located in the fourth interval. So f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Substitute x is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 0. So you have 0 square minus 3. 0 square means 0. 0 minus 3 minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to 6. F of 5 equal to 38. F of 2 is equal to 1. F of minus 5 is f of minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 5. F of 0 is equal to minus 3. Fourth sum. State whether the following relations are functions or not. If it is a function, check for one-to-oneness and onto-ness. If it is not a function, state why. Subdivision 1. If a is equal to set of all a comma b comma c and f is equal to set of all a comma c, b comma c, c comma b, such that f from a to a. First you draw an arrow diagram. In the first set, here the function is defined from a to a. Function is defined from a to a. So for that, draw two sets a and a. Draw two sets a and a. In the set A, write the elements a, b, c. Similarly, in the right hand side also, you have to write the elements a, b, c. And then draw the mapping for A to C, A to C, B to C, C to B. Here you have to check whether it is a function or not. You have to check whether it is a function or not. Here it is a function. It is a function because different elements of A does not have different images. So it is not a one-to-one function. It is a function. It is a function. Then you want to find one-to-oneness and on-to-ness. For one-to-oneness, different elements of A does not have different images in B. Different elements of A does not have different images in A, so F is not one-to-one. Then we want to find onto. How to find onto? If the codomain is equal to range, codomain equal to range means then it is onto. Here codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is ABC. Codomain is ABC and the range is B and C. So codomain is not equal to range. Codomain has 3 elements. Range has 2 elements. So codomain is not equal to range. So F is not onto. F is not onto. It is a function. If F is not onto and F is not onto one function. Fourth sum. State whether the following relations are functions or not. If it is a function, check for one-to-oneness and on-to-ness. If it is not a function, state why. Subdivision 2. If x is equal to set of all x comma y comma z and f is equal to set of all x comma y, x comma z, z comma x such that f is defined from x to x. So you have to draw an arrow diagram. Here the function is defined from x to x. Function is defined from x to x. So name the set as x and x and write all the elements in the set x and x. So the elements are x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. Then mapping x comma y. X comma y. Draw mapping x comma z. X as z, z as x, z as x. Here you have to check whether it is a function or not. Here it is not a function. It is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because the element y has no image. It is not a function since the element x have 2 images. The element x have 2 images. The element x has 2 images, y and z. So it is not a function.